Hey guys, and welcome back to the Adventures of Caleb and Taylor. Today we're going to show you how to make a green screen on a budget because we're cheap. So stay tuned. Step 1. Go to your local party store and pick up this green, it's a tablecloth, it's 100 foot, and I got it for $16. Step 2, roll her out and put her on whatever wall you want to do. And when you've got it all up, this is your final product, finished product. Doesn't look like nothing that's going to win you an award, but remember, you're on a budget. Next step, get you some good lighting. It's very important. Next step, fellas, get you a dog. They attract the ladies. So now, when you got the finished product, you can act like you're on the moon. Or you can act like you're surfing. Or you can act like you're running away from a scary monster. I know you're going to say, man, your screen is dusty. You better wipe that thing off. But anyway, next step, load it onto your computer. And I'm using iMovie, which is a free app that everybody who has a Mac gets. And they also make other applications that will run you back some couple $100, like Final Cut Pro. And there's also some apps on your phone that you can do that may be free. I'm not really sure. But yeah. And then we'll show you this next step. Now when you're editing, you want to find a clip that you want to use for your video. We found a video of the moon surfing and then a monster chasing us. And you upload the video first. And then you'll put the video of you in front of the green screen over top of the video that you're using. Then you'll double click it, and up here in this corner, trying to get the glare away, where it has this where you can do cutaway, green or blue screen, split screen, or picture in picture. You want to click the green and blue screen, and that'll help you pop this up. Last step, when you have your video finally over top and matching up with your other video, you may see some wrinkles from the paper. So one of the last steps is when you're up on this, they have a clean up option and you can click the eraser. And if you see like any area that you want to erase, you just click it and it'll get rid of whatever wrinkle or... Well, I hope you enjoyed our tutorial on making a green screen on a budget. We'll see you next time.